Hi, my name is Danielle. I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos or even know who I am, but soon you're going to, because I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos on here, if I have nothing better to do with my life. um, so I'm making this video so that we can talk about my hair. I love to talk about my hair. I cut it myself. Um, I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. Um, it's not very straight today, but you know what? That would just have to do. Um, because my straightener is all the way back there, and well, you can't really see, but all the way back there in my room that way. And um, sorry, I'm talking to my dog. She's rolling around on the floor and acting like a little weirdo. um, but I'm gonna be dyeing half my hair blue, so it's gonna be black and blue. It's gonna be amazing. Um, but if you guys like have a second opinion about it or whatever, like kind of talk me into it because I'm still kind of iffy about it. uh, yeah. So, uh, just kind of comment below and tell me what you think. Like, I'm not gonna dye it purple because everything I have is purple, and that would kind of look weird. um, I mean, I do like the color purple, but I mean, like I said, everything I have is purple. I mean, the shirt that I have on is purple and black. I mean, seriously now. Um, so purple is a no. But I mean, any off the wall random colors that you think I should dye my hair, that would be great. Sorry, I have a feeling I'm gonna lose my voice soon. I'm drinking Kool-Aid to try to quench my thirst. Um, yeah. So sorry, that was awkward. I think that's pretty much it. So like this, comment below, subscribe. Um, yeah. Okay. Bye. Love you guys.